Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss one more 2019 question paper which has been asked for 14 marks. Okay. Now the following position of Arun Limited and Suguna Limited, or sorry, Aruna Limited and Suguna Limited as on 31st March 2018 is as follows. So liabilities Aruna Suguna, assets Aruna. Okay, they have given share capital under that equity shares of rupees 10 each. Look at here, they are not given number of shares. So what you need to do? 10 lakh divided by 10 is 1 lakh, and 3 lakh divided by 10 is how much? 30,000. Just you have to do like that. Okay? And 9% preference shares of rupees 100 each. Here also they are not given number of preference shares. So 1 lakh divided by 100 is how much? 1000. General reserve, we have 1 lakh 80,000. So gratuity fund, we have 50,000, 20,000, and syndicate has 1 lakh 30,000, 80,000 we have. Goodwill, we have building, we have machinery, stock, data, bank balance, and look at here, they have given one fictitious asset, that is primary expenses. Okay. Now, what we need to do, and please remember here, should be careful here. So these are all, it's an intangible asset, non-current intangible assets, and these two are fixed assets, tangible assets. And all these are all these three are current assets, and these fictitious asset. And share capital, they have given equity share preference share. So it is a reserve, gratuity fund is a current liability, and syndicate is a current liability. So totally we have 13 lakh 80,000 and 5 lakh 80,000. So both Aruna and Suguna Limited. But in the previous question, they are given balance sheet of Beta and a new company Alpha Limited purchased Beta. Here there are two companies, both Aruna and Suguna Limited, carrying on similar business, and it was agreed that they should amalgamate. So here these two companies will be amalgamated, and as such a new company Sumitra is formed. Look at here, Aruna also will be closed and Suguna will also be closed, and they will form a new company called, what is it? So Sumitra Limited. Okay, is formed to take over assets and liabilities of existing companies with certain exemptions. See, they're taking over assets and liabilities, but with certain exemption. And goodwill of Aruna Limited and Suguna Limited are to be valued at 75,000 and 50,000 respectively. We have 50 and 25. And look at here, they have given adjustment of assets. Please remember, if there is any adjustment of assets, it is clear that it is not a merger, it is purchase method. Here we can identify it is purchase method. Okay, so because they have given adjusted values of assets, and look at the stock of both the companies to be valued 10% less than the book value. So it is purchase method, don't worry. And 9% preference shareholders, this is very, very important. 9% preference shareholders of both the companies will be paid. Look at here, we have 1 lakh, 1 lakh, no. Both will be paid at 10% premium by issue of equivalent number of 8% preference shares of Sumitra Limited. So whatever we have 100 rupees, they will be paying 10% extra. So 100 into 10% is how much? 10 rupees. 100 plus 10 is 110. So they will be paying for every one share, they will be paying 110 rupees. Or you can also do like 1 lakh plus 10%, 1 lakh 10,000. Okay? And equity shareholders of Aruna Limited will receive 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share of Sumitra Limited. Look at here. So whatever Aruna Limited we have, no. So Aruna Limited total equity shares is how much? 10 lakh divided by 10 is how much? 1 lakh. So he received 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. So Aruna will be receiving 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and premium is how much? 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12 rupees. And Sumitra Limited, share of Sumitra Limited, and 20 rupees for 4 equity shares held by them. Also they are paying 20 rupees cash for 4 equity shares held by them. See, for 4 shares, they are issuing 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and the market with a premium of 2 rupees, and also they are paying 20 rupees cash. Okay, for what is it? Aruna Limited. Sorry, Aruna Limited. Okay, and whereas Suguna Limited equity shares will receive 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each. They will be receiving 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share, and also they will be receiving 30 rupees cash for every 4 shares sold. Now what you need to do, you have to do simple calculation. I'll explain. Okay, we'll discuss when it comes to calculation of PC. Prepare ledger accounts and you have to pass incorporation into the books of Sumitra Limited. Now it is clear that it is not a merger, it is purchase method, and we need to do calculation of PC. For calculation of PC, see, it is quite I mean, we can understand, I think. See, it is clearly they have given mode of payment, how you are going to make payment, because we know number of shares, we know price of share and market value, and how many shares will be issued. So because it is similar to the previous question only, it is not lump sum, it is not debt asset. So you can say that it is net payment method. So what they will be doing, see for preference shareholders, what is the preferential capital we have? 1 lakh we have. So 1 lakh. So 1 lakh we have. So 10% means how much? So 10,000. If you add, how much you will be getting? So 10 lakh 10,000 you will be getting. Okay, 1 lakh, sorry, 1 lakh 10,000 you will be getting. That is to whom? Preference shareholders. Look at here. So calculation of PC, net payment method, particulars Arun Limited. So you have to calculate PC for both the companies because both these companies will be liquidated. And here, so two preference shareholders, 8% preference. See, they will be issuing 8% only. 1 lakh plus 10%, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. Next, two equity shareholders account. Now, the second part we need to try to understand. See, when it comes to equity shareholders, you should be careful here. See, total share capital, how much we have? We have 10 lakh. Total share capital, we have 10 lakh. We don't see here, they are not given number of shares. And here, how much we have for Aruna? See, it is Aruna, Suruna. Okay. For Aruna, it is clearly they have not given number of shares even for this one also. So, but they have given the share value of one share value. Correct? What is that amount? 10 rupees. So, how much you will get? So, this is number of shares. Number of shares. Number of shares is 1 lakh and 30,000. And what they have given? See, for every 4 equity shares, they will be issuing 2 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and premium is how much? 12. Okay, I mean 100 rupees. So for every shares, that means totally we have for every 2 shares. So sorry, for every 4 shares, I'm sorry. See, we have 1 lakh shares. For every 4 shares means you have to divide with 4 rupees. Sorry, 4 shares. And for every 4 shares, they will be issuing 2 shares. So how many shares we will get? 50,000 shares we will get. And what is the value is? See, they have given 10 rupees plus premium is how much? 2 rupees. So if you multiply total, it will be how much? This is equity share capital. This is equity share capital. Equity share capital. And here also, for every shares, total number of shares, how much we have? 30,000 we have. For every 4 shares, they are issuing 2 shares. That means how many shares? 15,000. And here also 10 rupees plus 2 is how much? Same amount only will get. So this much equity shares they are issuing. Apart from that, they are also paying cash. Cash of how much? So for Aruna Limited, they are paying 20 rupees. And for Suguna, they are paying 30 rupees. So number of shares is how much? We have 50,000 shares. Sorry. Just a minute. So what they are paying? 2 rupees. Okay, and rupees 20 for 4 shares. And rupees 20 for 4 shares. Now look at here. Totally, how many shares we have? 1 lakh shares we have. And for every 4 shares, they are paying how much cash? 20 rupees. They are paying 20 rupees. So total amount is how much cash? 5 lakh. And here also total number of shares, how much we have? 30,000 we have. For every 4, they are paying 30 rupees cash. So total it will be how much? 2,25,000. Look at the answer. See, 2 preference shareholders, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. 2 equity shareholders account. Aruna 6 lakh. Look at here, we have got each 6 lakh. Okay. And here we have got cash 5 lakh. So Aruna 6 lakh, Suguna 1 lakh 80,000. Sorry, 1 lakh 80,000, correct? And in cash, so for Aruna 5 lakh, and for Suguna, how much we have? 2,25,000. So if you total, our PC will be how much? 12 lakh 10,000, 5 lakh 15,000. Okay. Next, you need to prepare ledger account. Now, see, it is clear that, see, in the question they have not given whether assets are taken, all assets are taken over, or liabilities taken over, but they have given the market value. So you should assume that all assets are taken over, and you have to take only the market value which is given here. So you have to write all assets. See, and you should be careful here. They're asking us to prepare only ledger accounts in the books of Aruna Limited. You can prepare ledger accounts in the books of Aruna as well as Suguna. But in this question, they've specified only Aruna. So we'll prepare only for Aruna accounts. Okay. So you have to take all assets, okay, including bank balance. including bank balance. Book value. See whether sets are taken or not, agreed value, let it be any adjustment. First, always you need to take book value only. You got 50,000, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh, and 50,000. That is what we have written here. Okay. And next one, you have to take all liabilities. How many liabilities we have? Gratuity account 50,000. Only Aruna, you have to look at only Aruna Limited. Okay. 50,000 and 1,30,000. And what is the PC amount paid to Aruna Limited? 1,10,000. Should forget about Suguna now. We are not preparing Suguna. So 2,10,000 you have to write. And after that, what you need to look at here? Total preferential capital is how much? 1 lakh. Preferential capital is how much? 1 lakh. But how much we have paid? How much we have paid? We have paid 1,10,000. See, always whenever you have a preferential in the question, you please search like this. What is a nominal capital and what is a paid capital? Then the difference, if you are having premium, you have to debit in realization account. Suppose if you are having short a less amount, then you have to credit here by preference shareholders account. Now, since we have premium to preference shareholders account, 10,000. Okay, clear? Next, so this side will be more, credit side will be more, 30,20,000. Here it will be 30,60,000. So what is the difference amount will get? 30,000. That is something about profit. We're getting balance in debit column, profit, credit column, loss. So two equity shareholders account, 30,000. Next, we'll go to Sumitra Limited. Okay. Now, Sumitra is nothing but business purchase account. Look at here. Is it credited or debited? It is credited. That means this account, realization account, should be debited. So when you're preparing Sumitra Limited account, realization account will be debited, 2,10,000. How this payment will be done? So you should be careful here. Look at here. By equity share capital, how much? 6 lakh. By cash, 5 lakh. And by preference share, how much? 1,10,000. So you have to write the same here. By equity share capital 6 lakh, by preferential capital 1,10,000, by bank account 5 lakh. So totally it will be same. Now please keep it in mind. You have to prepare equity share Sumitra. You have to prepare preferential capital in Sumitra and bank account. All three accounts you need to prepare. First, we'll go for by equity shares in Sumitra Limited account. Okay. Is it debited or credited? So this is credited. That means this Sumitra Limited account will be debited in that account. So Sumitra Limited account 6 lakh. To whom it will be paid? To equity shareholders account. Simple. Okay. Next, preference shares. See, we have preferential orders, preferential account of Sumitra. Is it debited or credited? It is credited. That means this account will be debited when you are preparing 8% preferential capital in Sumitra. So you have to debit. You have to debit. So since this account is created here, so you need to debit Sumitra Limited. So Sumitra Limited account 6 lakh by okay, sorry, what is it? See, actually here it should be preferences Alpha Limited. I'm sorry, you have to change the question here. You have to change this one. It will be Sumitra Limited. Okay, I'm sorry, you have to change it. Sumitra Limited account. So what you have to take? Two Sumitra Limited account you can take here, and by preference shareholders account you can write by preference shareholders account 1,10,000, by premium, by realization account. See already okay. Look at here, we have done 8% preference shares. Okay, I'm sorry, 8% preference shares Sumitra Limited account. Next year it will be changed to 9%, and realization account is how much? 10,000. See here we have preference shareholders account 10,000. See here you can change this amount and directly you can change preference shareholders account only, or fine, you have to change the name also, please. Okay. And next one, you have to prepare bank account. Look at here, the bank account is created here. That means this Sumitra Limited will be debited. So Sumitra Limited account 10,000. It will be paid to whom? To by equity shareholders account 5 lakh. Next we need to prepare equity shareholders account. First, always you need to bring down capital. How much we have? Equity share capital 10 lakh. By equity share capital 10 lakh, there are one reserve, general reserve. You have to take 1 lakh. And in and look at here, if you have any fictitious asset, we have preliminary expenses 30,000. You have to bring debit that amount. And now what you need to do, you have to go for one by one account. Now here we have equity shareholders account. Is it debited or credited? Debited. That means this account will be credited. But here by realization account 30,000. By realization account 30,000. And we'll go one by one. Look at here, we have equity shareholders account 6 lakh. That means this account will be debited. We'll see answer. Okay, and here also we have equity shareholders account. That means bank account will be debited by 5 lakh. So equity shares in Sumitra Limited account 6 lakh, bank account 5 lakh. So totally if you add it will be 11 lakh 30, 11 lakh 30. That means your answer is correct. In equity share account, if your debit and credit column is same, then your answer is correct. Now we need to pass incorporation entries in the books of Sumitra, that is purchasing company. Same entries, business purchase account data, but here there are two companies. You have to take so two companies. So total amount paid to both the companies is how much? 1 lakh 10,000, 5 lakh 50,000. If you add how much, it will be 17 lakh 25,000. So you have to write like that. Business purchase account 17 lakh 25,000. To liquidity Varna 10 lakh 12 lakh 10,000. Liquidator Suguna 5 lakh 50,000 being PC due. And when it comes to here, see, you have to take assets of both the companies. Now look at here. See, goodwill, the balance will be considered as goodwill only. Don't worry. Okay. Building 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 4 lakh. Machinery 5 lakh plus 1 lakh 50. What do you need to 6 lakh 50. And stock, you have to minus 10%. What they're given 10% less. So 2 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 75, it will be 4 lakh 25,000. 4 lakh 25 minus 10%. Look at here. 4 lakh 25,000. 10%. So if you minus, how much will get? It will be 3 lakh 80 to 500. We got the same answer. And data has no adjustment. So 2 plus 1, 3 lakh. Bank balance 50 plus 20, 70. No expense we have already taken, ignore. So always leave one line space. Now we'll go to liabilities. Gratuity fund 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 1 lakh 30 plus 80, 2 lakh 10. And business purchase is how much? 17 lakh 25,000. So if you total, credit column will be more and debit column will be less. The balance amount is what? Goodwill. So you have to get goodwill. Next, now when you're passing third entry, see, you can pass separately only. See, liquidators of Aruna Limited, it is created. So you need to debit to preferential capital 1 lakh 10,000, to bank account. How you are going to discharge? To bank account 5 lakh, to equity capital account 5 lakh. And next one, liquidators of Sugun Limited is created. So next you need to debit, and same entry or to preferential capital. Okay, and if you want, you can segregate premium also. Okay, to preferential capital 1 lakh 10,000, to bank 2 lakh 25, to equity capital and premium. So totally all amount will be settled. That means, see, we have premium now 2 rupees. The premium you can take. Look at here, 2 rupees to miss premium is there. So what you can do? 15,000 shares into 2 rupees 30,000, and here 50,000 we have. 50,000 into 2 rupees is how much? Sorry, 50,000 into 2 rupees is how much? 1 lakh. That is what they have done separate. What is it? Security premium. If you want, you can show separately. Always you better you showing separate only. Okay. So the answer is clear. Okay. So we are done with all 2015 to even I have solved 14 also. From 14 to 19 years question paper, I have solved all the questions, and you practice all these questions. In case if you're having any doubt, please let me know so that I can clarify your doubts. I hope the concept is clear. So thank you. By this, this chapter will get over.